I want to tell you about a great new sponsor of the 5 Reasons Sports Network and 5 on the Floor. It's called Mobile C-Arm and Staffing Services. That's Mobile C-Arm and Staffing Services. You can find out more about them at c-armandstaffing.com. That's the letter c-armandstaffing.com. To summarize, but you really should check out the website, what they do is they offer C-Arm services, okay? They rent the C-Arm equipment on a short and long-term basis to hospitals, surgery centers, chiropractic offices, and pain management offices. They have cadaver lab courses, which is where the medical device companies set up a lab to showcase their products to surgeons who may not use them before. So what they do is they service office-based procedures, pain management offices, chiropractic offices, and cadaver courses. They can rent the C-Arm equipment to an office and also send an X-ray technologist to run the machine. If the facility has its own technologist, they would just rent the X-ray equipment. So check it out. Again, here is the website. All of the information is on there. If you're a medical professional, this is definitely something you should know about. Again, it's c-armandstaffing.com. That's the letter c-armandstaffing.com. You can go to the website and you can leave under contact your name, phone number, email, and a little section for a brief message, and they will get back to you, our friend Nelson and company, by email. Again, it's c-armandstaffing.com.